Alright, welcome to ClarksPlace. Today we're going to be taking this aluminum hitch and some other pieces you see there, and to have a couple options for different towing capabilities. We got a couple different hitches, and we'll blast them, powder coat them gloss black to match the truck that I'll shoot another video on because it's the most awesome truck in the world. Blasting time. Blaster.
Oh, I need to go this way. I'm sitting there looking at my face. Yeah, I was thinking.
He's saying that we've got some marks. I cleaned this up. We just chopped that off. It was about 2 inches longer. So we'll take and just touch with the grinder and clean this up a little bit better. All right, doing a little time lapse here. And these ladder, Andersen, like I called it a ladder, but I don't know if it's called that. But the little drop hitch thing, it looked like it had been beat around just like a normal hitch would take, and you can see a lot of corrosion on the top of that circle mount there where the ball mounts to it, and a lot of corrosion there. I had it zoomed in. It's kind of like rusty, dirty, nasty stuff. I don't know if it was because the steel ball rusted and kind of went down onto that, but just took the grinding wheel, a little flap disc, and hit all that. And then you see Randy going, and he's actually hanging the parts, and Pops is helping out there a little bit too. But yeah, polished all the dings and nicks in that aluminum and got it to be as slick a surface as we could.
Okay, ready for the first piece? It's hot. Oh, you got your pliers?
No, I got this. Gloves.
You need pliers. It'll go through that glove really quick.
I'm starting to feel that even the door is hot.
We got all the parts for his trailer hitch for the back of his truck. All the different pieces.
Yep.
Powder coat the first one.
Good. Okay. Good.
Looking nice. Yeah, I liked it not putting a whole lot on at once.
Sorry, I like to coat it.
Oh, I coated. I just go over it 3 or 4 times.
Who would have thought we had different ways of doing things?
I would have never thought. I thought we were identical.
Okay, I think
That one's done.
I'm in love with that one. Now, grab, then just take this, don't bump anything, just grab the S hook and just hang it without bumping it on anything.
Gingerly.
Put it in there. And then we usually grab the next one.
Maybe.
Watch your end.
Yeah, I'm trying to turn it.
It might be. It just touched. That's okay. You're just gonna make it worse if you.
It might be all right.
The very back on the
Very
bottom.
bottom. All right.
Well, in the middle of us doing this, move those out. Grab those out of it. We didn't tape this one off, Randy, but
That's right.
I'm just not powdering where it needs it, or where it doesn't need it, if that's.
Yeah, it looks like right up in there.
Well, that's the very top that you see, so I want to make sure that's coated really well. Loving it.
This isn't coated here because that goes into the hitch. It's just going to scratch it all off anyway over time.
Nice save there on the audio. Hey, I'll just stand here holding this forever.
Yeah, it's not bad, right?
Go ahead and grab that one out.
Yeah.
We'll bring him, and then I'll go on that slot.
There you go. Oh, I got you. Yeah.
And I don't think that's gonna damage anything. Sweet. Okay. Cool.
All right. You gotta shake her a little bit.
Yep. It's magic.
Oh yeah, there you go.
I found a new spot. Needs some attention.
Yeah.
You like that?
Like it.
Looks good.
Here. I was gonna say.
I've worked myself into a conundrum.
Is that the last one?
No, one other one after this.
Okay.
He's gonna hang and
There you go.
be
Nice.
be friendly with others.
Here, give me this. I'll go ahead and have this.
Oh, is that? Oh, this is good.
No, I got it. Oh, you're gonna do both?
Well, as soon as he's done, I'll hang this one up.
Oh, I got you.
You grab that one, do this one, and then we'll get them both in and close the door.
Gotcha. Should we mention that yes, we know that the ball is gonna not stay powder coated?
Right. Yeah, the ball won't stay powder coated, but
I got you. I got you.
the part that we see,
Okay, I think it's coated enough. Because, like you said, that's
Yeah.
all going to be scratched
yeah,
off.
it's going to come off of there over time, really easy.
The ball is heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
That's funny.
All right, do that one, and we'll get it in the oven. This is just a little section on there.
Yeah, just let me coat the back side.
Oh, okay. I thought you were done.
No. Okay. Done now.
Here, can you give me?
Done now.
Okay, and where's the hook? Oh, I think I put something on the hook. Shit.
Oh, just put that hook over
Yeah,
there.
well, yeah.
That'll work.
There you go.
Yeah. All right.
Lock her up.
That ball might stay out of the way. Let's just make sure we're...
All right.
Okay.
Set it
And forget it.
We'll pull it out.
Set it. Forget it.
Set it. We'll take it out 25 after.
25 after.
Yep. So let me turn, yeah, it's on high. You can see our temperature. It goes to high when it's on 400 degrees. It's been in for over 15 minutes, so you gotta, no, just open the doors. Here, I guess I can cut everything off. That's the 3 switches. You can see we've loaded up some plugs there. Because this contraption, if you watched our how to build a powder coat oven video, you saw it was ooh la la.
Gloss black.
It was gloss. I think you'll be happy with that. What do you think?
It's beautiful. Those Andersen hitches are amazing, by the way.
Is that what they are? Andersen hitches?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Very cool. It looks like everything laid down beautiful. We'll record a little more once we can touch the stuff. All right, is Randy a happy camper with that?
Randy loves this. This looks great, man.
That's
Look
awesome.
at this. That is amazing. Yeah, that looks great. I mean, it was so bad before, and this doesn't get shown, so we didn't care about that, right? So
Yep.
this just looks amazing, and it's got the Andersen like greaseless balls, which is great. Yeah, this is gonna work out wonderful.
Best type of balls, greaseless.
That's right, and adjustable.
All right.
I don't know if I did it. Come on.
All of the parts look pretty good. They're still pretty warm. Yeah, still actually very warm.
Oh, that's not good.
Alrighty.
I'll ditch you later. Thanks, buddy. Yep. Appreciate your help.
Very
yeah,
cool.
Something's messed up now.
So how's the happy camper here today?
Looks good. If I can line up a hole, that'd be great.
Yeah, I like it. That looks like it goes on there.
Yes.
It looks like it's binding up.
It's always done that though.
Oh, has it?
Yeah, it's always had a little bit of bind.
Well, I don't really see that it's scratched the powder, but the
No.
powder may have made it a little bit tighter. Ooh, look nice.
Look at that.
Good thing I polished your shaft for a half hour there.
Appreciate that. There we go. And then
So that's-
I'm gonna do this real quick.
Oh, that's the one it came with, you say?
Yeah. I'm gonna push this in further just because I think it's gonna fit better. There we go. That looks like it was made to be on the truck now.
Looks like you bought a new hitch for it.
It does.
Only took 9 hours today to make
I
it
know,
look
right?
that way.
Yeah. Well, you know, when we're cutting and slicing and
Yeah, that looks, it doesn't
a
look,
little bit more work to you, so
doesn't look out of place at all.
No,
Just, it looks like everything's brand new back there.
yeah. It looks awesome. Good job, man.
I love your balls.
Yeah.
And with that, we'll end the video. Thank you. Bye-bye now.